Now you can also order your favorite Gattu Chinki's favorite toys from our website. Link is in the description.
Friendship Day. Friendship Day was just around the corner, and Gattu and Chinki were discussing what type of card they were going to make for their friends.
Chinky, last year we made a card in the shape of everyone's favorite fruits. For Goody, we made her favorite fruit mango-shaped card, and then for Bunty, pineapple-shaped card. Yes, Gattu, and everyone loved their cards. So what different can we do this time? Have you thought about it? Not yet, Gattu. I was just trying to think about it, but I don't have any good idea.
That is when Gattu and Chinki saw PunToon classroom video in which they were showing how to make DIY friendship bands.
Oh wow, Chinky, I have an idea. How about we make friendship bands instead of cards this time? What do you think? You are right, Gattu. I also like your idea very much. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Then Gattu and Chinki started working on this idea. They gathered all the material required for these bands and settled in the drawing room. Then Chinki had an idea.
Gattu, what if we make our friendship bands for our friends in their favorite colors? Yes, Chinky, it is a very good idea. Come on, let's do this. Goody's favorite color is green. What about Bunty? I think Bunty's favorite color is probably blue. No, I think it's white. No, wait. I think it's blue. Very good. What kind of best friend you are? You don't even know the favorite color of your best friend. Come on, Chinky. I said it's blue. I am very sure. So let's start making these bands.
Then Gattu and Chinki made the bands exactly as they had thought. Mummy was happy to see them working so hard for it.
Wow, Gattu Chinky, the bands that you have been making look very beautiful. You guys are really very talented. Really, Mummy, I am very sure that Goody and Bunty are going to love these bands. You are right. They won't be expecting. We will give them such a surprise.
While making the bands, Gattu and Chinki got stuck on a step.
What happened, guys? Why did you stop? Mummy, look at this. I can't tie a knot of this band. Yes, Mummy. I also tried very hard, but even I am unable to do it. No problem, Gattu Chinky. Here, show me. I will help you with this knot.
Then Mummy ties a knot of their bands very skillfully, and Gattu Chinki were observing her carefully.
Here, it is done. Wow, Mummy, great. How did you do it so easily? Yes, Mummy, you're the best. Thank you, dear. Alright, so you go ahead and do the remaining work, while I will get some snacks for you. You guys must be tired after doing so much work. Yes, Mummy. I am very sure that Gattu must be starving. He gets hungry very often. I have worked so hard for this. I am very exhausted, Mummy. So, Mummy, what are you going to prepare for us? Why don't you both tell me? What do you want? Cheese paratha. No way. We ate cheese paratha just yesterday. Mummy, why don't you cook something healthy for us? I will make vegetable soup. Okay, Mummy. It is the best option.
Mummy prepared soup for them, and Gattu Chinki started making their bands while enjoying the soup.
Yay! Finally our bands are ready. Wow! I can't believe that we have made these amazing bands. They look so beautiful, don't they? Wow! Awesome! You guys have made really nice bands. Good job! I am very excited, Gattu. I can't wait to go to school tomorrow and give these bands to Goody and Bunty. You are right, Chinky. Even I can't wait for it. I wish tomorrow comes soon.
Mummy smiled at Gattu and Chinki and asked them to get ready for their dinner.
Now eat your dinner and go to sleep. Only then you can go to school tomorrow. Okay, Mummy.
Next day, Gattu and Chinki got ready with lots of excitement and went to their school. They saw that Goody and Bunty were already waiting for them.
Happy Friendship Day, guys! Happy Friendship Day!
All kids wished each other Happy Friendship Day. Gattu and Chinki looked at each other and smiled. Then they slowly pull out the bands from their bags.
Wow! Bunty, this one is for you. A special friendship band in your favorite color, blue. And Goody, this one is for you. A green colored friendship band.
Goody and Bunty were thrilled after seeing their bands.
Wow, Chinky, this band is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Really, Gattu, this band is indeed very stunning. How did you make it? We watched a video and then made it accordingly. Yes, we made these beautiful bands as they had shown in the video. Thank you so much, Chinky. I really love this band very much. And Gattu, thanks to you also. Here, I have got a chocolate for you. Happy Friendship Day. Chinky, I have also bought a candy for you. Happy Friendship Day.
Then the kids enjoyed the candy and chocolate together.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.